How to make someone an admin on a Facebook group. To get started, first of all open up the Facebook application on your phone. You are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can explore and view posts from friends and pages that you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, tap on Groups as shown. Tap and open any group from here. Over here, tap on Manage. Scroll down to the Tool Shortcuts section and go to People. Here, you can view the members of this group. If you want to make someone an admin, then tap on the three dots beside their name. Then, select Invite as Admin. Tap on Send Invitation to invite them to be a group admin. Once this person accepts the invitation, they will become an admin of this group. Following these steps, you can easily make someone an admin on a Facebook group.